This video, I'm going to show you how to insert and manage table within Microsoft Word. Assuming I have this my Microsoft Word open and I want to insert a table in it, I can just come over to the exact place where I want to have the table. Assuming here, I can come to insert over here. I can come to table, see this drop down, you click on it, and then you define the number of tables, rows and columns that you want. So this is going to be like, for example, 4x3 table. You can see it from here. Let's say we go with 4x3, and just once you click on this, it is going to now create your table. So you can go ahead and start putting in the content. Now you have the table design format coming up here. So you can vary the number of heads and columns, heads and header row and columns and so on. You can define exactly which one or the styling that you want. You can see, you can click even on this to see more of the styles, and you can just go ahead and define how you want it. For example, we have this. You can just go ahead and customize and write in. So you can just go ahead and write in your content, and anytime you can just double click to customize whatever you want. You can customize the border line, okay, the type of border that you want, as well as the sizing and the font color, as well as the border color, the border effects that you want. You can define here with no border, all borders, or thereabout. You can all define from here. So once you click on the table, you have the table design. You can do many other things from here. And if you want, you can come to the table layout as well, and you have the option to do many things, like you can erase a table or use the eraser to clean some sections of it. You can click and you can click remove this section. For example, if you want to remove a section, you can use the eraser to remove a section. You can as well delete a cell by just selecting, and you can delete that cell. If you have it selected, you can delete the cells that you have selected. You can delete and delete the cells. You can see now with this, now it is going to delete all of them. You can see it has just been deleted. So let me undo this. And then if you have other things like the draw tool, other properties that you have here, you can merge, insert above, insert below. If you want to insert and remove cells, you can do that as well from here. But this basically gives you the opportunity to insert a text, a table, and then you can go ahead and add in the details that you want to add in it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.